Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to import an Elementor JSON template into a WordPress website. Elementor import can be in form of zip files or JSON files. The zip file is an entire Elementor website as a template kit, which may include the theme, multiple pages, the header, images, and all of that. We are going to be looking at the JSON import, which is simple and perfect for a single section, like the header, the hero or footer section of your website. JSON templates are easy to export and import into another website. If you would like to practice with the same header we built in my previous tutorial, you can export it as a template or download it from the description link below. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import it into another website. If you would like to learn how to build this header, check out the full video where I explain the entire process step by step, starting from scratch. Each Flexbox container is a section that you can export and import independently. We need to first of all export each section as a template. This will download the JSON file on your machine. You can also access the JSON file from the description box below. You want to go on and export this section. This will download the JSON file on your machine. We can exit this page to download the second template. So go ahead and right click and save as template and to give it a name. Go ahead and save. We can right click and export. Go on and export the third section. I'm just going to open everything up in my folder. These are the JSON files we just exported. I have renamed them accordingly. So back in my new website, before moving on to importing the downloaded JSON template into this new site, there are quite a number of questions you need to be able to answer. For instance, which Elementor version created the template? Can you tell if Elementor Pro is required? Which theme was used? Can you tell which plugins are required? If you open up the JSON file, I'm going to open up the first template. If I scroll down, you can see a lot of design information. No reliable answers to which plugins or theme settings created this template. I'm going to close this. Back in my new website, I recommend that you get all of these answers from the source you downloaded the JSON file from. In our own case, I have downloaded the two plugins required for this template, the Elementor plugin itself and the ultimate add-on for Elementor. Elementor template display best using the Hello Elementor theme. So I'm going to install it. Go ahead and click add new. You want to install the Hello Elementor theme. Go on and activate it. To import our JSON template, navigate to Elementor, click on editor, click on template. We need to go ahead and select the JSON file. So choose the file. So I'm going to import them one by one. Click on import now. You don't have to worry about the warning since we know our file is safe. So click on continue. So go on and import the other files and choose the file you want to import. Continue. So we need to import the last JSON template. Choose the file, select it, go on and import. So after importing the three JSON files to display them inside of your page, you need to go to any page. You can go ahead and select any page you want to import your JSON template. So you want to click on edit with Elementor to display any of your template inside of this page. You need to click on the plus icon. So go ahead and choose the folder icon, select template. So you now have access to all of your template file. To display any of your template file inside this page, you simply click on insert. So this is how you import into regular page. In my case, I know the template was built with the Ultimate add-on for Elementor plugin, and is supposed to be used alongside the Ultimate add-on for Elementor plugin. So I'm going to close this page, go back to my admin page. So you navigate to the Ultimate add-on for Elementor, click on the header and footer link. Do watch my previous video. The link is below in the description box where I explain everything from scratch. So you simply need to give your header a name. Since we know this is a header template, so we simply need to give it a name. For template type, select header. We want this header template to display on the entire website. Scroll down. For user roles, we want all users. So go ahead and publish. Now you need to click edit with Elementor. You can go on and import our JSON template inside of this page. Click on the folder icon, select template. We can start by importing our top bar inside of this page. So this is what the top bar look like. Go ahead and insert the second template. We want the desktop this time. We also want to keep the style for the template. Click on that. Bear in mind that not everything will display perfect at first, but we will fix that. You will need to know if your template expects an image, because image file isn't embedded in the JSON. As you can already see, we need a logo. We also need to create a navigation menu. I am going to start by creating a navigation menu. Publish your changes. So I'm going to go back to my admin page. scroll down, type a name for your nav menu. Can call it nav menu. So click on create menu. So you need to choose your website pages you want to display on the menu. So I'm going to select all my pages. Then we can go ahead and click on add to menu. Go on and arrange however you like. So save your menu. So we can go back to our editing page. So you need to reload this page. So our navigation menu is now displayed properly. So go ahead and click on the desktop header to expand. Click on the nav menu, select the navigation menu. If I go to my left panel, so you now see we have option to select the navigation menu we just created, which is what we have right here. So we need to select an image for the logo. I'm going to choose an image. Go ahead and upload your logo image. I'm going to select my logo image. So click on select. So you can now see that our logo is displayed properly. The stylings are preserved. So I can go ahead and publish. So far, we have imported the top bar and the desktop header template. We can move on to import the mobile header. So like before, go ahead and click on the folder icon, select template. You want to insert your mobile header. So keep the default styling, insert. Don't forget that the mobile header is going to display for smaller screen. So it's not visible on the desktop. You can go ahead and select the tablet view. So like before, we need to make some adjustment. Close the desktop header, can open up the mobile header. So we want to select the nav menu. Go ahead and expand it. So right in here, we can select the nav menu we created earlier. So we want the last item of the menu to be the CTA or CTA button. So you can keep the styling like this. I want to go ahead and publish. You can reload this page. So select the tablet's view again. So you can now see that our menu is displayed properly. So everything looks fine. You can move on and select the logo. So click on the logo. You want to select an image. We are going to select the same image as the desktop header. Select it. So also everything looks fine. So the default setting is also kept. You can go ahead and publish this. It seems like everything looks fine. We can open up our website in another browser. I'm going to copy the link. Seems like some stylings are broken. Our nav header doesn't have a background color. So we can go ahead and fix this. This is one of the things you need to be mindful of when importing a JSON template into your website. Some styling are kept while others are not. So back to our editing page, you can go on and troubleshoot. Click on the desktop header. So the background color of the desktop header, I think, is missing. So we can click on it again. Want to scroll down, select the background. Okay, so we have our background color right here. So it seems like it duplicated the background color variable right here. So we need to select the main color we chose earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Go on and reload. So you can now see that everything is displaying correctly. We need to fix the background color for the CTA button too. So again, click on the CTA button, go to the style, click on the background. You can go ahead and select the main variable we set up earlier. We want to do the same thing for the mobile header. Select the background. You can go on and choose the correct background color. So choose the correct background color and publish. Can go back and reload. So our CTA button now display correctly. If I adjust the screen size to mobile size, you can now see that everything is also displaying correctly. We have reached the end of the tutorial. Let me know your feedback in the comments. Please like and subscribe to support the channel so I can keep this tutorial coming. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.